Hola, boys and girls. 'Tis I, Crash Overrun, once again. Alright, I'm here today to teach you guys about some alternate data streams, otherwise known as ADS. Yay! Alright, ADS is pretty much native to the NTFS partitions, so it's basically native to Windows. They created ADS back when they came out with Windows NT, which was quite a while ago. They basically made it so that their systems could be compatible with the Macintosh HFS systems, which is one of the filing systems that they use. What ADS does is it forks the file information into separate resources. If you guys want to know more about the HFS, then go look it up. Anyways, what the Windows uses alternate data streams for typically is like temporary storage, at system attributes, stuff like that. Alternate data streams actually isn't too widely known. It is known about, but not really widely known. It's usually looked over. And it's actually really easy to do. The culprit behind the whole ADS is actually the colon, like that. Alright, let's get started on this. Go ahead and do a dir directory here. Like you guys would look at, I have 3 files here. I have notepad.exe, which is 69 kilobytes, made 213, just last time it was altered. I have example.txt, which is 8 bytes, which is 204, is when it was last altered. And then let's see, I have calc.exe, which is 7 a.m. Oh yeah, and also look at the dates here that you see. Alright. So one thing that we can do, one easy thing that we can do would be, see, echo. Alright, first let me show you what's in example. Notepad example.text. Hello, there's hello. So what we could do would be like echo test into C ADS. You have to have the full path for these. Little tip there. Example.txt colon hidden.text. As you see, went through. What we could do now is notepad C ADS example.text hidden.text. And there it is. There's our test. Alright, and here let me show you again. There is no hidden.text shown. Also, another thing to look at, nice way to, simple way to tell if something's been altered is, as you see here now, the example.text showing 2:16 p.m. it was altered, where up here it's showing 2:04 it was last altered. Alright, little heads up on that. Alright, if you know you have an alternate data stream file attached to another file, one such as we have here, one simple way to remove it would be to go ahead and rename the example.text to, say, temp.text. And we're going to do type temp.text back in, redirect into example.text. For those of you who don't know what type is, basically all that does is it echoes out the contents of a file, kind of like cat in Linux for you people. Go ahead and run that. And now we can go ahead and delete temp.txt. And that will take care of our ADS file. Alright. So, another thing that you can do, reason I have the executables in here, is you can actually do this with EXEs as well. We're going to use a type again, like we just did. Let's do ADS calc.exe, redirect it into C ADS notepad.exe colon calc.exe. Run that. Went through. Okay. Start. C. Oh, let me go ahead and show you guys. Delete calc.exe. Okay. Alright. Now we only have two files. Notice same size was altered to 19 at 2:19 p.m. rather than up here where it was altered at 2:13 p.m. Okay? Alright, start notepad.exe. Oh, forgot. ADS notepad.exe colon calc.exe. And there you go. It started up. And as you see right here, it was deleted, so it's basically a hidden file. So let's get rid of it again like we did just before. Rename notepad.exe temp.exe, type temp.exe into notepad.exe, and then delete temp.exe. There we go. Alright, there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys. This here is actually a really neat little trick. Echo test redirect C ADS colon hidden.txt. Yes, that's right. ADS even works with directories. Run that. As you see, it went through. So notepad C ADS hidden.txt. Bam, there it is. Yeah. As you may have guessed, this can be really useful. You can hide rootkits, viruses, wherever you want. Can also be really dangerous. There's a few ways, other than the simple little way that I showed you, to get rid of ADS. Because the way that I showed you only works if you actually know that that file is infected. There's a few programs on the net. You can get Adware. You can get one called LADS or LADS. Then there's also one called Crucial ADS. And there's a lot more. That's just a couple, just to get you started. Anyways, that basically covers the basics of alternate data streams. Hope it ignited a little bit of interest there. Hope you have fun. Peace out.